Welcome to our guide on how to delete your Facebook dating profile. Whether you found love elsewhere or simply want a break, we'll guide you through the process. Step 1. Use the Facebook application. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap the 3 horizontal bars at the bottom right to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Dating. In the upper right corner, tap the gear icon to access settings. Under Account, tap Delete Profile. Optionally, provide a reason for deleting your profile and tap Next. Choose between permanently deleting your profile or taking a break. Retain old results and chats but hide your profile. Step 2. Confirm your decision. If you want to completely delete your profile, select a reason and then select Delete Profile. Confirm your choice. So your Facebook dating has been deleted, and when you use it again you will have to recreate your dating profile. If needed, we have a video about this part to help you review. Thanks for watching.